In this video, I will show you how to add an overlay in Capcut on your PC. So let's jump straight into it. So the process is the same whether you've got the Capcut app downloaded or if you do prefer to use the web-based version of Capcut. For myself, I'm actually using the Capcut app. So as you can see, we're here on Capcut. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is of course import the videos that you want to overlay. So I've got two videos here which I'm going to import into Capcut. And what you want to do is drag these onto your timeline. So this video here is going to be the one that we're going to overlay over this background video like this. So what I'm going to do first is just add this background video to my timeline just by simply dragging this into our timeline just like so. Now, once we've done that, to overlay the second video, all you need to do is select it from here and just drag this above your original video, just like so. Now what we can do is play this video and you can adjust the length if you want to. I want to make this one a bit shorter, so I'm just going to make it like this. As you can see, we have now overlaid this video of this person on his phone over the top of this video background. Of course, we can actually see the video background at the moment. So what you can do is once you've clicked onto the overlay video, if you come up to the preview window just up here and you can see these points around the edge of the video in the corner. So what we can do is actually drag this to make it smaller, just like so. We can reposition this anywhere we want, and once you're happy with everything, you'll now see if we go ahead and play this, we have successfully added our overlay. So that is how to add overlay in Capcut PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.